Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical basics, then move straight into diagnostics. Plug an Ethernet cable and disable Wi-Fi because this isolates the adapter. Once done, open Device Manager with WinKey+R, type DevNote. MSC and press Enter. You need to inspect adapter status icons. Next, run Windows Network Troubleshooter from Control Panel. It automates tests and can reset services. Make sure to note any error codes it returns, because you will act on them in the next steps. Now you focus on drivers and protocol settings, which resolve most adapter issues. Right-click the adapter in Device Manager and uninstall it. If the driver appears corrupted, check Delete Driver Software so Windows fetches a fresh copy. Once removed, reboot and allow automatic driver reinstall or manually update via Update Driver Software. Then, open an elevated command prompt. Run netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset to clear stack corruption. Make sure to reboot after these commands so changes take effect. Finish by validating connectivity stepwise. Reboot, test via Ethernet first, then enable Wi-Fi to confirm wireless adapter operation. If problems persist, check that DHCP client, network connections, and WLAN auto config services are running. These manage addressing and wireless profiles. If you still see failures, use System Restore to a known good point or install the vendor's driver utility, because OEM tools sometimes fix firmware quirks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.